If you're trying to change the language in Steam, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the Steam client language step by step, so your menus, buttons, store, and library can display in the language you want. This is one of the fastest ways to make Steam easier to navigate, especially if you've just installed it, switched regions, or accidentally opened it in the wrong language. And just to clarify, Steam language settings are split into two different areas: the Steam interface language and the language used inside individual games. In this tutorial, we're focusing on the Steam client language first. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick and easy tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Steam on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once Steam is open, look to the top left corner of the window. You'll see the Steam menu there. Click on Steam and a small drop-down menu will appear. From that menu, select Settings. This is where you can adjust all of Steam's main preferences, including appearance, downloads, and language options. When the settings window opens, look at the left sidebar and click on Interface. The Interface tab controls how Steam looks and behaves on your screen, and this is where the language option is located. Now, in the main panel, find the drop-down labeled Steam Client Language. Click that drop-down and you'll see a list of available languages. Scroll through the list and select the language you want Steam to use. Once you choose your preferred language, Steam will not switch instantly. Instead, a Restart Steam button will appear. This is completely normal. Click Restart Steam so the client can close and reopen with the new language settings applied. After Steam restarts, the menus, buttons, and interface text should now appear in the language you selected. If you don't see the change right away, don't worry. Just let Steam fully restart and load back in. In some cases, you may need to sign in again, depending on your session, but the language update should still carry over. If Steam ever opens back in the wrong language, simply repeat these steps and select the correct one again. And remember, if you want to change the language inside a specific game, that is usually done separately through the game's own properties, launch options, or in-game settings. So if your Steam menu language is fixed, but one game is still in another language, that's normal, and you may need to adjust the game itself. That's it. You've now changed the Steam client language successfully. If this tutorial helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful Steam and PC guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.